Welcome back. Joining us now is Saurabh Gadgil, is Chairman and Managing Director at PNG Jewellers. Saurabh, hi, thank you for joining in. And your first reaction on the gold prices really continues to be volatile. We haven't seen all-time highs after what we did see in the end of March, early April, though. But the volatility of almost $100 an ounce is quite under a trend.
Yeah, Manisha, right now, everyone's talking on the gold prices. The bullishness and the fluctuations is what is really right now the subject in everyone's mind. But I think slowly people are getting accustomed to the fact that gold is here, the gold price are here to stay, and they would have to look at a bullish scenario in the coming future. So we are seeing slowly people making purchases, people firming up the decisions. The last 2 months were when people were in a wait and watch mode. There was a lot of talks on gold seems to be correcting, but that hasn't happened, and gold has continued to be strong. So I think we should be looking at people entering the markets now and seeing shopping for weddings and for the festive season as we go into Q2. So Q1 has seen a little slowdown, and it primarily has been because of this fear that gold could correct and they should be not caught on the wrong foot.
Well, absolutely. So even as the gold jewelry trends haven't been so positive, as you said, in the first quarter, how has diamonds as a space done? Because we've seen prices consolidate, even gain up a bit. Is that something that the markets are looking at?
Yeah, compared to gold, diamond has been an outperformer. Diamonds have performed well in the entire Q1, and I think a large portion of that has been that diamond jewelry comes in 18 karat gold. So there's a 15% price difference between 22 karat and 18 karat gold, and diamonds as a category we have seen sustained interest. So when you look at the first 2 months of Q1 for this year, diamond have seen a steady growth. ATVs have remained constant or have gone a little bit higher. So diamond have not seen a pressure as we have seen in gold, and especially people's interest in diamond jewelry, not only for daily wear but also for functional wear and for bridal wear, is seen to be on a rising trend.
Saurabh, most markets feel that, yes, as you mentioned, 18 and 14 carats seems to be doing quite well now. And within diamonds as well, what is the ticket size that we're looking at? What geographies seem to be doing better right now?
So in terms of ATVs, ticket size around 1,70,000 for PNG. So that has been consistent. There's been no dip in ATV in spite of the market seeing a little bit bearish mode. Diamond jewelry, when you look at it, there are two categories. One is your lightweight jewelry, which is really a off-taker. There's been a lot of interest in lightweight pendants, lightweight bangle bracelets. But there also has been sustained interest in diamond necklaces and bangles. So all in all, diamond as a category has continued to show good interest. People's faith in diamond jewelry is remaining strong. And we're also seeing that in the same price of a gold necklace, you're able to now get a diamond necklace. And that also has been one of the attractions for people who have not been able to purchase their first diamond necklace to move to diamond category. So we are seeing some cannibalizing happening from gold jewelry and moving into diamond jewelry.
Well, absolutely. That really was my next question, because what is the kind of penetration that you're looking at when it comes to diamonds within the country, and how are you looking at the price point of it? Because we did see an all-time high in sense of diamonds way back in 2022 and a sharp fall after that. 24 was kind of slow. Would you say 25 is picking up?
Yeah, 24 was steady. I would not say slow. 25 is seen picking up. Diamond has a big upside left in the country because diamond penetration, if you look at per capita, is very low in India. I think it could be in single digits or maybe around 11-12%. As in the Western world, where diamond consuming countries, it's as high as 60-70%. So we have a huge upside left. And I think diamond here is aspirational. Diamond jewelry here is considered to be a step up after your gold jewelry purchase. And that, as cities are getting more urbanized, people are moving to bigger cities, people are getting more exposed to new trends and fashion. I think diamond jewelry is going to see a uptick from here, and I think diamonds jewelry is looked at as a upscaling, is looked at as today fashion, and along with that, it is entering mainstream weddings. So I think India has a huge market potential for diamonds.
Saurabh, as is always the case, second half of any calendar year is better than the first half. So with almost 5 months done, we are into a 6 months right now. So almost the first half of this year done. Would you pin more hopes to the second half?
Absolutely. I think second half, like you rightly said, is an important year, is an important half considering the entire season of Navratri, Dashera, Diwali. And I think the weddings followed by that in November, December. So these in the next 6 months in the calendar year should be very, very, focused on consumption. And I think with people's mindset now firming up to the price and firming up to entering the market, I think the next 6 months should see good traction. And both in diamonds and gold, I think there'll be movement, there'll be consumption, and brief lullness we see in the industry should completely go away as we enter the actual wedding season.
All right, you take that point. That's about the jewelry space, but we'll wait for the wedding season for that. What we don't have to wait for is, the eating season right now. When we went to the short break earlier, we saw a big spike in Westlife food, about 3%, and now that's extended. 8% is the up move that we're seeing on Westlife food, the operators of the McDonald's India franchise. And there you have it, it's spiking. So what we'll do is we're closing in on lunchtime. We'll thank everyone, including Manisha, for joining in. And thank you, viewers, for watching this show. Take a short break, come back on the other side. Business Lunch takes all the market action ahead.